Yeah, the reason I returned to learning was because effectively I had my son Bobby at the age of 18 and I was working in a job and I was like thinking, where am I going with my life? And then just having my son just made me totally reevaluate my situation. I want to achieve a better life for my children, son, but got 2 kids now, than I had for myself.
I first met Dan when he knocked on my door and asked for some help in filling out his university application form. He'd been referred by his tutor, so I knew very little about him. And we just started to talk about some of the challenges he'd faced and overcome. And the warmth, the enthusiasm, the motivation, the focus and the absolute conviction that he was going to university no matter what was what I first saw in Dan.
Before the age of 18, I had no ambition. I was happy to do nothing in my life. But education has given me a focus, a goal, it's just something to achieve.
Lots of us think we're going to change. Lots of us want to change, but not very many of us have the courage or the focus. And in the face of some quite severe difficulties, the actual personalities to go ahead and do it, and Dan's done it, and that makes him very different.
I got big plans for the future, hopefully, be running the country or running Wales or running a local council or even teaching history or something. I don't know, I got big plans. Got to be ambitious and see where it leads me.
Dan, I've only met you recently. You've certainly inspired me. You've shown me that anything is possible. You now have your place confirmed at Swansea. You have to work hard for those grades, get in there, show them what you can do and reach every goal you've ever set yourself.
Most people who leave school early think, oh, school's not for me. But if they can have a changing factor in their life that can just think, oh, I can go back into education and I can do it and I can achieve. So if I can give the message across to other people like it did for me, then that would be brilliant.